Welcome to Blast from the Past, a thrilling journey through IPL's most iconic partnerships. These were more than match-winning stands, they were masterclasses in trust, timing, and teamwork. Let's explore the runs that made history and the bonds that built them. IPL starts with Virat Kohli, and Virat Kohli holds the record for the most runs in IPL history, 8,500 plus and counting. Yatra Pratibha Avsara Prapnoti hi, where talent meets opportunity. The IPL trophy, a symbol of excellence, features a silver cup with a batsman in action, the IPL logo, and the winning year, reflecting the league's grandeur and elite craftsmanship. In 2016, Virat Kohli and Abde Villiers unleashed an unforgettable 229-run rampage. It wasn't just dominance, it was IPL poetry in motion. With pinpoint power and precise placements, they created the gold standard for batting partnerships. Abde Villiers once hit a 100 in just 31 balls in an ODI, one of the fastest ever in international cricket. When De Kock and KL Rahul opened for LSG in 2022, it was a clinic in clean hitting. Their 210-run unbeaten stand was precise, powerful, and pitch-perfect. They didn't just bat, they orchestrated a masterclass in partnership play. KL Rahul is one of only 3 Indian players to score centuries in all 3 international formats. 2024 saw Gujarat Titans unleash their future. Gill and Sai Sudharson's twin centuries weren't just numbers, they were statements. Their rhythm, maturity, and precision dismantled a strong CSK attack and signaled a new era of IPL greatness. Shubman Gill is the youngest Indian to score a double century in ODIs, he did it at just 23. In 2011, Gilchrist and Marsh turned Mohali into a fortress with a 206-run onslaught. It was classic Aussie aggression, clean, confident, and coordinated. Their chemistry made boundaries look effortless and bowlers helpless. Adam Gilchrist is one of the few players to have won both the ICC World Cup and IPL titles. Imagine raw power meeting surgical precision, that's Gayle and Kohli in 2012. Their 204-run partnership felt like a storm. Gayle's brute force and Kohli's calm control created a spectacle that left fans and Delhi stunned. Chris Gayle holds the record for the highest individual IPL score, 175 off just 66 balls. Warner and Bairstow in 2019 were pure destruction. Their 185-run partnership wasn't just a display of skills, it was an example of aggressive harmony. They set the tone early and left RCB reeling under pressure. David Warner has won the IPL Orange Cap 3 times, most by any player. In 2017, KKR unleashed a flawless chase. Gambhir's composed leadership paired with Lyn's brute hitting gave us one of IPL's rare perfect 10-wicket wins. It was surgical, seamless, and stunning to watch. Gautam Gambhir led KKR to 2 IPL titles, 2012 and 2014, as captain. In 2015 at Wankhede, Kohli and Ab launched a blitzkrieg. Their 215-run stand in just 101 balls is still talked about for its ruthless precision. This wasn't just hitting, it was innovation, calculation, and execution at warp speed. Abde Villiers is nicknamed Mr. 360 for his ability to hit shots in all directions. Delhi Daredevils' chase in 2012 was surgical. Warner and Ojha hunted down the target with 20 balls to spare. Their 189-run stand was a mix of patience and power, redefining how cleanly a target could be chased. Naman Ojha once scored a triple century in a first-class match, his highest ever score. Great partnerships follow a rhythm. From planning pairings to dominating death overs, the flow is scientific. Each duo we've seen mastered the dance from caution to carnage. And that's what makes partnerships magical. Partnerships aren't built in runs, they're built in rhythm. Trust, timing, and tactical adaptability define every great stand. These duos taught us that partnerships win matches, not just big shots.
And don't forget to share this video with your friends. Let's spread the knowledge and keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for our next video. We are constantly bringing you insights and stories about business, technology, and innovation that you don't want to miss. And don't forget to share this video with your friends. Let's spread the knowledge and keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for our next video.